List methods in Python. Introduction to list methods. In Python, lists are versatile data that allows dynamic storage of elements. Mastering list methods like append, pop, and sort is essential for efficient data manipulation and programming. This presentation will delve into various list methods and their application. Understanding append method. The append method in Python adds a new element to the end of the list. This is a crucial operation for modifying lists and building them dynamically. Understanding the syntax and usage of append method is fundamental for the list manipulation. Exploring pop method. The pop method in Python removes and returns the element at a specific index. This versatile method for efficient removal of elements from a list, and it's important managing list contents dynamically. The sort method in Python arranges the element of a list in a specific order, either ascending or descending. Mastering the sort method is crucial for organizing list elements and performing tasks like sorting data and implementing algorithms. Utilizing list method. Index method. Index method in Python returns the index of a specific element in list. This is useful for locating elements within a list and performing operation based on their position. Understanding the index method is essential for efficient list manipulation. Having list method as methods in Python, it is important to be aware of potential errors such as index error. How to handle this error is for robust and reliable code. Best practice for list method. To master list methods in Python, it is important to follow best practices such as avoiding direct modification of lists during iteration, utilizing list comprehension for concise operation, and understanding performance implication of different list methods. Conclusion. Mastering list methods in Python is essential for effective data manipulation and algorithm implementation. By understanding and leveraging methods such as append, pop, sort, and index, developers can harness the full power of lists for diverse programming tasks. Thank you.